Hi guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can create AI images in Microsoft 365 Copilot. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, here is a sample of an image that I've just created, and I'll show you how you can create yours. To do this, first log into your Microsoft 360 Copilot account, and once you are here, then head over to create. Now here you can either create an image, you can design a poster, create a form, design a banner, edit an image, or even design an infographic and more. For my case, I want to create an image, so I'll go to this description here and paste my prompt for the image. So make sure if you want to create an image, you choose the first option, which is create an image. Here you can choose the serialism, color, and even the width, or you can just leave the prompt as it is, and Microsoft 365 Copilot will give you its best results. I'll go to create here, and by clicking on create, now the creation journey has begun, and you can see here it is working on it. So this may take a minute or so before your creation is done. And finally, Microsoft 365 Copilot has generated the image, and you can see it here. You can now download this image that you have created direct to your computer or laptop by clicking on download here. So if I click on download, choose the format in which you want to download. I'll leave it to PNG. We have an option to choose the other formats such as PDF, JPEG, as well as PPTX. So I'll click on download, and the download is on here. And now it's done. I can click on it to open it externally on my computer. So that's how you can create AI images straight from Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.